In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to send mass SMS notifications to your campers. Let's get started. First, go to the RoverPass Services tab. Then, click on the Mass Notification option to access the RoverPass SMS Hub. Manage your SMS communications here. Track guest categories like check-ins, checkouts, and upcoming stays, review billing expectations, and access detailed reports of sent messages. Next, click the Send SMS to Guests button to get started. Now choose who you want to send the message to. Select from options like today's check-ins or checkouts, campers on site, or those arriving in 3 days. Write your message in the text box. Keep in mind there's a character limit for each SMS. If you need to send a longer message, you can break it into multiple texts. Finally, review your message and click Submit. That's it. Your SMS will be sent to the selected campers. After sending your SMS, you can easily check the report in the main SMS hub to see the number of messages sent and successfully delivered. And that's how simple it is to send mass SMS notifications with RoverPass. We hope this feature helps make managing your campground even smoother.